Hello everyone, welcome to your maths class. So today's our discussion is a new chapter, that is your decimal. Previous chapter we have already discussed about fraction, how to operate fraction in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything we have already discussed, and after that we are discussing decimals. It is also related to fraction. What is decimal? Decimal is another number system. Number system we have already discussed. What number system? Hindu Arabic system, Roman numeral system, like this. This is another number system, means extension of our Hindu Arabic numeral system. So I am writing one number here. Can you read, children, this number? No, you cannot read. After discussion you can read this number correctly. Okay. So first we will discuss decimal fraction. Okay, decimal fraction. What do you mean by this deci? Deci means tenth. Why I have written tenth, not 10? Why I have written? Because tenths means division part. 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000 means this is the multiples of 10. So this decimal fraction means the fraction in which the denominators are 10 or multiple of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, like this numbers are present in the denominator. Do you remember denominator? The lower part means the equal division part. Suppose 1 by 10. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. We have already discussed this part, numerator and denominator. So decimal fraction means the fraction in which the denominators are only 10 and multiples of 10. Okay, that fractions we can say decimal fractions. Yes. For example, 35 by 10, 248 by 100, 125 by 1000. So all these numbers are called decimal fractions. Okay. Now we will proceed what is decimal and how to write decimal numbers. So decimal number contains two parts. Okay, one is your whole part, second one is your decimal part, or you can say this one whole part or integrated part, and this one decimal part or fractional part. Clear? So decimal number consists these two parts. Yes. How we are how we will know that there are two parts are present? Suppose I am writing 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Can you recognize? Is it a decimal number? So what you will read? We can read as our Hindi Arabic number system. We can read 2,35,689. So what is the difference? This is a number system, but how we will represent in decimal number? How can we change this one in decimal number system? So for that, one dot is present. This represent decimal point. This separate these two parts. The left side of the decimal part is called your whole part, and right side of the decimal part is called your decimal part or fractional part. So this part is your whole part, and this part is your fractional part or decimal part. Clear? So both these parts are separated by this dot mark, or we can say this is a decimal point. What you will say? Decimal point. Clear? So now how to read this one? I have separated by this dot mark or decimal point. So now the turn is how to read and how to write it. So how we will write or how we will read this one? This part, as it is a whole number or integral number or integral part, you will read as your normal number, that is 235. Okay, then point, decimal point also you will write 235 point. What I will write? 689? No, you will not write 689. You have to write the numbers in separate way. Means single numbers you will write 6, 8, 9. Clear? So now what you will read? 235.689. Don't read this one 689, because this is not your whole number. This part is your decimal part or fractional part. Okay. So now we will proceed this number, why we are reading this separately, that thing we will discuss now in what? Place value chart. Okay, what are the place values in our decimal number system? The same number what we have written, 235.689. How we will represent this number in place value chart? Okay, so this is decimal point. It is present in between these two groups or these two parts. So before that, the place is ones, then tens. As our Hindu-Arabic numeral system, the normal place values ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundred, then thousand. Like this it will go on the left side, means whole number part. After that, after decimal, the right side of it is decimal part or fractional part. So what to write here? You will write tenths. Remember this. Then hundreds. Then thousands. So in this way you will mention the place values. Okay. So here tens means what is the value? 1 by 10. Hundreds, 1 by 100. Thousands, 1 by 1000. Or in decimal number you can write 1 by 10 means 0.1, 1 by 100 means 0.01, 1 by 1000 means 0.001. Clear? So the place value in decimal number system is like this. Left side of the decimal point, this is your normal whole part. Normal number, how we are writing? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, like this. After decimal, this fractional part you will add tens, THS you will add in 10, means this division part. This side you will multiply and this side you will divide. So how we will represent this number? 235.689. So 2, where you will write 2? 235. So 100 place you will write 200. This is tens place 30, ones place 5. Then as it is decimal point, it's separating this part, whole part. Then another part is 689. 689. So what is the place value of this? 5 ones means 5, 3 tens means 30, 200 means 100 place means the value will be 200. And this side, what is the value of 6? 6 tens means 6 by 10. 8 hundreds means 8 by 100. 9 thousands, 9 by thousands. Clear? So in this way you will represent in place value chart, and after that you can arrange in expanded form or in short form or ordinary form. How to write in expand form? This one, 200 plus 30 plus 5, then plus 6 by 10, 8 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. Clear? So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay. If this place is missing, after 6 by 10, 9 by 1000 is present. So what you will write? That means some place is missing. There is some, there are absence of some places. What is that? Tens place is missing, sorry, 100 place is missing. So what you will represent here? You will represent here what? 235.609. In the absence of any place, you will put the 0. Okay. So now this is your compact form or short form, and this is your expanded form. One more example I am showing. So this example, suppose 1234.6382. Okay. So now what you will write in expanded form? 1000, then 200 plus 30 plus 4 plus this one is tens, after decimal point 6 by 10, 3 by 100, 8 by 1000 plus 2 by 10,000. Okay. Suppose given 600 plus 9 plus 3 by 10 plus 6 by 10,000. Clear? This is given in what? Expanded form, and you will represent in short form. So what to write? This one 609 means which place is missing? Tens place is missing. So what you will write here? 609 point. Here you will give the point because this part is your whole part. Fractional part starts means before that you will put the decimal point. Okay. Then tens place. So it is present here. Then which place is missing? After tens, hundreds is coming. Then 100 place missing means you will put here 0. Then 1000 place also missing. So another 0. Then 10,000, 6 by 10,000 means this is the number. What you will read now? 609.3006. This part you will remember, children. Don't read out this one 3006. You will read 609.3006. Separately you will read out this decimal part. So children, for today only this much you have to practice it. Next class we will proceed how to know like and unlike decimal numbers.